Hey guys, and welcome back. In this video we are going to learn how to reset or change the account password of Instagram. So in this video I'll be showing how to change the password using a web browser. If you are looking to change the password using your mobile phone using the Instagram app, then you can follow my another video. The link is in the description of this video. And if you are more comfortable with using a web browser, then just open up your web browser and look for instagram.com. Then this page is going to load up, and here you can see we have this link which says forgot password. So just click on it. Now it says enter your email, phone or username, and we will send you a link to get back into your account. So if you're not sure which email address you have used with your Instagram account, then you can go with your phone number. And if you are not sure which phone number you have used with your Instagram account, then you can go with your username. That is the easiest choice. So I will use my username to try and change the password. So just enter your username then, and then click here send login link. Now it says we notice unusual activity from your account, so we have logged you out. Follow the next steps within 1 day so we can try to get you back into your account before it is disabled. It's okay, just click here I'm not a robot. Then select all images with mountains or views. After that, just click here on next. So now you have to open your email ID, and the hint of the email ID will be written something like this so that you can understand which email ID you have used with your Instagram account. So I will just open my email ID. Now depending on the device you are using, you can either open up your email ID on your phone if you have already signed in your email ID in your email applications, or you can use a web browser to access your email ID, or you can use Mail app of Windows or the Mail app of Mac OS. So that totally depends upon which device you are using. You just have to access your email ID. Just try to open or access your inbox. If it's not in focus, it can be in others. If it's not in others, then it might be in junk folder or the bulk folder or the spam folder. So you will have to check those folders one by one. And once you are inside, you will find email like this. And here you can observe, we are sorry to hear that you are having trouble with login into Instagram. So we can just click here, reset your password. You can either directly open the link from here, you can just click on it and the link is going to open in the browser, or you can right click on it and then click on copy link and then open in the browser as you wish. So just paste it in the browser and hit enter. Then you will get a page like this, create a strong password. On this page you will be able to reset or change your password, and your password must be at least 6 characters and should include a combination of numbers, letters and special characters. So I'll just quickly enter a new password for me. Finally just click on reset password. And the password has been reset successfully. So that's all we have to do. So I hope you were able to reset the password of your Instagram account. So if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'm going to see you in the next video. Till then, take care and thanks for watching.